How's it going? You might remember me from the DVD that I actually filmed and have set up for sale on Amazon.com, building your first computer. Basically today I'm going to touch on some things that we didn't really get to go over in the DVD. First off, we used an AMD processor in ours. Some of you may not know why we chose AMD over Intel. To put it bluntly, cost. Intel is generally far more expensive for a marginal at best increase in performance. We went with the AMD as it saved us close to $300. I'm not saying I condemn Intel. They work well. They have a 2-pipeline super speed processing type unit. AMD is a little bit slower but has 4 pipelines. Make your own conclusions on that. More or less, the AMD does install a little easier, as you saw in our video, if you've purchased it. If not, I suggest you do. The AMD just clips in very simply onto the motherboard. With the Intel, the newer Intel, you generally have to have the processor installed before you actually install the motherboard into your computer tower, because you have to thumb screw it from beneath in order to lock it down, which I guess in some instances does give a slightly better connection to the processor to the heatsink, but is unnecessary at best. Again, you'd have to see our video to understand, and you go to Amazon.com. It's just called Building Your First Computer. Feel free to pick it up. Shows you all the basics. Straightforward, quick video. It'll get you going, it'll get you finished, and all in all, you'll understand computers just a little bit better from it. Well, hopefully you can find the time to go onto our website, or our Amazon.com's website, and take a look. See you later.